Let's look at our example of strawberries sold £3 per punnet. We have a proportional relationship here because each punnet costs £3. So each time we buy another punnet, we pay £3 more. That is, each time we move one position to the right on the double number line, we add one punnet on the bottom line and £3 to the total price on the top line. The top line thus corresponds to the 3 times table. We have a multiplication by 3 to go from the bottom line to the top line. And the 3 in this particular context means £3 per punnet. This is the coefficient of proportionality. This is the number by which we multiply the number of punnets to get the total price. We can also call it the unit price, as it is the price of one punnet, so 1 unit. Double number lines also exhibit horizontal multiplication properties. For instance, if I buy 2 punnets, this cost me £6. And if I buy 3 times as many, that is 6 punnets, I have to pay 3 times as much, so 3 times 6 equals £18. Let's now look at the so-called addition property, which can be illustrated with the following example. Someone buys 2 punnets of strawberries for £6 on the market, and later they buy 3 more punnets. What will they have paid for the strawberries altogether? There are 2 ways to look at this. First, we say that in total they bought 5 punnets at £3 per punnet, which makes £15 altogether. Or second, we see that they first paid £6 for the 2 punnets, and then for the further 3 punnets they paid 3 times 3 equals £9. So in total, they paid 6 plus 9 equals 15. This addition property simply comes from the distributive property of multiplication, which we learned in season 1 of our basic series, and which can be illustrated with the area model for multiplication as shown here.